Open the shipping box. Remove any packing material on top. Remove the white transport plugs at the bottom of each side on the outer shipping box as shown. Now remove the outer shipping box by pulling straight up and over the main unit as shown. Remove the inner cardboard shipping pads. Remove the accessory box. Remove the power cord, spare waste toner bottle, and other accessories and any documents from the accessory box. One of the documents is the setup guide. Cut open the outer shipping bag and lower it to the bottom of the box. Open the inner bag and lower it to the bottom as well. Two people can now carefully remove the machine from its box and place it on a flat surface. Remove all tape and cushioning materials from the main unit. If a sheet of paper is in this area, open the MP or multi-purpose tray and remove the sheet. Close the MP tray. Release the upper tray from here to open it. Push it all the way back to lock it open. If any tape or cushioning material is on the containers, remove them. Remove the tape by pulling it towards the rear. Pull this yellow tab in the direction of the arrow, which will remove the orange spacer. Now close the upper tray.